Now to a very tragic story. A heavy wind that swept across Nakuru town yesterday afternoon has left traders and building owners counting their losses. Several buildings and cars belonging to staff and individuals and around the provincial headquarters were destroyed as the wind blew away part of the rooftops of several commercial buildings. Now, according to the eyewitnesses and several individuals who were injured in the tragedy, the strong wind swept from the northern side of Nakuru town, forcing traders, business operators and retailers to scamper for their safety as it blew away anything in its path. Nakuru town has been experiencing persistent windy periods during the dry season. The residents are fearing for worse incidents in the future and have called on the local authorities to intervene and establish mechanisms that could forestall such destructions in future.
Tulikuja mbio mbio, tukasikia transformer hii ya power kama imeripuka, stima nayo ikaanza kupotea. Sio sasa nayo wakati nayo sasa hiyo watu nao wakapiga nduru. Ni kitu gani imefanyika pandi?